Imagine declaring war on birds. In 1932, Australia did just that. Faced with an overpopulation of emus wreaking havoc on crops, the government sent soldiers armed with machine guns to combat these feathered foes. Led by Major GPW Meredith, the troops faced unexpected challenges. The emus proved surprisingly resilient, dodging bullets and outmaneuvering the military. Despite several attempts over 2 months, the campaign failed miserably, leading to the withdrawal of the soldiers. The Great Emu War ended with the emus largely unscathed and the farmers' plight unresolved. This bizarre chapter in history is a testament to nature's unpredictability.